against Junmar. And for sure, he will get a lot of different looks, but that
of the elimination round campaign for the San Miguel Beermen.
Bongkit gave them the belief that they can go all the way to the finals, which now they're not.
Pero bago ang lahat mga ka-Big Boss, magandang pagbabalik mga ka-Big Boss, pwede bang paki-like and subscribe at pahit ng notification bell. TBA Season 48 Philippine Cup Finals, Best of 7. San Miguel Beermen kontra Meralco Bolts, nakaabanti na ng unang panalo ang Meralco Bolts na uhaw sa kampyonato, at ating abangan ang kanilang Game 2 ngayong June 7 at gaganapin ang kanilang laro sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Kayo mga ka-Big Boss, saan kayo sa dalawang kupunan na ito? Paki-comment na lang sa baba mga ka-Big Boss kung saan ka sa dalawang team na ito. Maraming salamat, at kaunting highlights recap muna tayo sa kanilang Game 1 na laro.
Second effort in here. We thank you once again for joining us on TBA Rush and Pilipinas Live. And Jericho Cruz counter. Ball game posting up against Marcio Laster. Quinto, another mid-range. Good pass to Tautua as he attacked her offensively as well to help out his Banquero and their other guards.
Backfield received to shoot from the three-point area. They didn't time the outside. Just make sure that they bring out the defensive.
Great look. Thank you so much, Coach Ryan. We will hear your thoughts again a little later on. Marcio from way down. Point range. But that was a good shot nonetheless from Marcio. Alain Genty is off and running. Marcio with a heavy. Marcio!
And that's why San Miguel is on top right now.
That will be an end for the Bulls. That he's limited SMP to 0 points the first 2.5 innings for the San Miguel Beermen. A good pass from Diaki. 5:53. Newsome. Counted. Newsome breaks free and Marcio recovering. Newsome beats. Tied game at 64 apiece. Stop jumper coming from. Leaves it for Alain. Back to Karam. Not forcing it. They go inside. CJ Perez on the move. CJ attacks. The layup is good. Mazan taps it over to Bongkito. Karam is ahead. Ancho is gone.
Without Fajardo in the game.
Oh, that's a lot of space. Attack here for Meralco. CB leaves it for Raymond Almazan. The layup is good.
Advantage here inside the paint against Cliff Hodge.
Oh, hesitant. And now Bongkito is ahead. Quito slapped it. Has it top of the key. Uses the screen from Bates. Bates on the roll. Bates.
What?
As Banquero gets the ball off the hand of CB with a free pass. Moving out. Their heads above water. Banquero the pass to Almazan. Raymond. Now the fourth and final quarter of action. Junmar gets pushing. Not enough bodies running back on defense. Newsome hits the layup. Loses the ball to Newsome. Nunu to CB. Layup is gone. Once again to go back to Trollano on the floor. CJ with the breakaway.
Since he was down 8 points.
Almazan hesitates and lets it. Leaves it for Newsome. He wants a three. Won't get it. Rebound. Perez on the floor for Coach George Gallen. They need a big one. Trollano.